In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Facebook. By the end, your Gmail address will be securely linked to your Facebook account, which helps with login, password recovery, and important notifications. I'll keep things simple and clear, and you can follow along on either the Facebook app or the website. The flow is nearly identical. Start by opening Facebook and signing in if you aren't already. From the main screen, open the menu and choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This brings you to the core controls for your account. Next, open Account Center. This is Meta's hub for managing account details across its apps, and it's where email and phone contacts are stored. Inside Account Center, go to Personal Details. This section holds your basic information. Now tap Contact Info. You'll see any emails or phone numbers already linked to your account. To add your Gmail, tap Add New Contact and choose Email. We're adding an email here rather than a phone number, so make sure you select the email option. Type in your Gmail address carefully. Double check for typos, missing dots, or extra spaces. Accuracy matters because Facebook is going to send a verification code to the address you enter. When you're sure it's correct, continue. Now it's time to confirm via the code sent to Gmail. Head over to your Gmail app or open Gmail in a browser. Look for an email from Facebook with a short verification code. If you don't see it right away, check folders like Updates, Promotions, or Spam. Once you find the message, copy the code and return to Facebook. Paste or type the code exactly as shown. If the code is expired or isn't working, request a new one and try again. For your security, never share this code with anyone. After the code is verified, you'll be prompted to save changes. Go ahead and save. This finalizes the connection and adds your Gmail address to your Facebook contact information. To be sure everything worked, glance back at the contact info screen and confirm your Gmail now appears there. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to Facebook. This simple update makes account recovery smoother and keeps you informed about important activity. If you ever need to manage or update your contact info again, just return to the same Account Center path. Thanks for watching, and great job taking a quick step toward a more secure and reliable Facebook experience.